So this question again was from the IDBI paper, but this was a relatively easier one. Try this one out. Circular arrangement where things are facing outside. Everybody is facing outside. There are bottles facing outside. Yeah. See, this arrangement, ideally you should be able to do it in 2 to 3 minutes, and you have 5 questions also following that. So when such arrangements come, definitely don't leave those. In the examination you will be able to arrive at the answer. Okay, so what is given here? 8 chemicals A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H contained in 8 different bottles are placed around a circular table in such a manner that a tap is fixed to the bottle directed outward from the center of the table. Each chemical is of different color, blue, yellow, orange, white, whatever. Okay, chemical, so everything is facing outwards, right? That's what we understand. Tap is fixed outwards. So 8 places are there. Now what is given? Chemical B is placed third to the right of chemical D. Okay, so if I take, I'm just, and 8 places are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all the bottles are facing outside. Now I am just taking one as B. It is given chemical B is placed third to the right of chemical D. So which has to be chemical D? See, everybody is facing outside means this has to be the right and this has to be the left. So third to the right of D means this has to be D. Next, the yellow chemical is placed on the immediate left of B. So left of B means this direction. So this has to be the yellow chemical. Then the color of chemical B is not white. So B is not white. I am writing that down here. Chemical F is placed fourth to the left of chemical A. Then it is given neither chemical F nor chemical A is an immediate neighbor of B. So chemical F and A cannot be here, and there are 4 spaces between F and A. So where can I place F and A? F and A either has to be here or has to, like this, right? F and A can be here. Now I don't know which is F and which is A. Why am I not able to fix F and A? See what is given here. Chemical F is placed 4 places to the left of chemical A. If I take this to be chemical A, okay, if this is chemical A, then which is left of chemical A? This side. So F is here, 4 places to the left. If this is A, then again F is again 4 places to the left. See, in both the cases, the condition is satisfied. F and A, wherever I place between these 2 positions, even if I interchange their positions, the answer seems to be correct. So for now, I know these 2 positions are occupied by F or A. We have to finalize which is F and which is A. Let us wait for that. Next, the color of the chemical C is violet and is placed third to the left of the yellow chemical. So third to the left of the yellow chemical means 1, 2, 3. So the color of C is going to be here and it is violet in color. Then next, the brown chemical is placed second to the right of chemical B. So brown chemical means second to the right means on this direction. So this is going to be the brown chemical. Then what is given? H is the orange chemical and is placed exactly between chemical C and chemical A. So H is placed between C and A. Can I place, so where are the 2 possible places where I can place H? Either here or here. See here, this position is already fixed by D. So what does that mean? A cannot come here, correct? So H has to be here and this has to be A and this has to be F. So what have they given? H is the orange chemical. H is the orange chemical. It is placed between, where is it? Yeah, placed between C and A. That is also fixed. The blue chemical is placed second to the left of the orange chemical. So blue chemical means second to the left. Left is again this direction. So this is going to be the blue chemical, second to the left of orange chemical. Chemical G is placed third to the right of chemical C. So chemical G has to be this, third to the right of chemical C means here. So what should come here? It has to be, the only thing that we are left here is E. So this has to be E. And then I need to find out what these 2 colors are, right? See, I know B is not white, that they have given. The green chemical is placed second to the right of the violet chemical. I missed out this line, right? The green chemical is placed second to the right of the violet chemical. So this is the green. green chemical is placed second to the right of the violet chemical. I know B is not white, so who has to be white? D definitely has to be white. And so then what has to be B? B has to be black. Okay, so this is the final pattern that you get. So let us look at the questions that follow. Which of the following chemicals is of white color? D is of white color. What is H's position with respect to F? So what is H's position with respect to F? I can say H is third to the left of F, correct? You look at the diagram, H is third to the left of F. H is third to the left of F, option A. Next one. How many chemical bottles are placed between chemical A and G? Counted from G clockwise. So how many chemical bottles are kept between G and A? Between G and A in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is this, no? 2 bottles are kept. So the answer for that is 2. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? Yes. So if you look at this question, violet, brown. Okay, there is one. If you look at violet and brown, there is orange in between violet and brown. Okay. Now next, black and green. Between black and green, yellow is there. Similarly, between orange and white, violet is there. Between yellow and blue, black is there. So in between these two, there is one color. Now here, green and yellow are adjacent. These two are adjacent. All the remaining has one color in between or one bottle in between. So the odd one here is option E. Next one. What is the color of chemical B? Chemical B is black in color. That is option B. See, this was a fairly easy one, right? Very easy. Less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes, you will get the answer. That's all is required to solve this. Okay.